All right, coming up on 4:44 on this Monday morning, and across Connecticut, we've got some rain. We've got really a raw, chilly day on tap for us. And in the northwestern hill towns is where, of greatest concern, there is the potential for some prolonged icing with some freezing rain there. So that's where we have an ice storm warning up for the rest of inland Connecticut. We have a winter weather advisory that runs through tomorrow morning. Southern Connecticut, no weather alerts, as we're expecting just a plain chilly rain there. So we are zoomed in here with early warning pinpoint Doppler into the northwestern hill towns. You can see the precipitation is fairly light. We've got just those light shades of green and pink or purple beginning to show up, and that is indicating just some freezing drizzle as temperatures near the surface are near, if not even a little bit below freezing, in some of the higher elevations of northwestern Connecticut. So that's this situation there in Litchfield County. As we look at the rest of the state, we see those shades of green working throughout the southern part of the state. So this is all rain throughout southern Connecticut, and we've got more rain off to our southwest. In fact, this is going to be a fairly long duration storm with us, a good 24 hours to go before it wraps up around this time tomorrow. Again, temperatures are key in the northwestern hill towns, very close to freezing right now, and again, some of the higher elevations, and this will be very elevation dependent. We're going to see those temperatures actually go a little bit below freezing. So we're 35 in Hartford, also for Willimantic. Upper 30s to near 40 right now along the Connecticut shoreline, but we've got this northeasterly wind that's basically going to lock in and even filter some colder air into Connecticut from areas just to our north. So as we look throughout the region, if you're traveling, especially say along and north of the Mass Pike, more wintry precipitation happening there, but basically west and southwest of Connecticut, we're looking at just some rain at this point. So looking at the big picture, this storm system, this area of low pressure that's moving through the Great Lakes, will pass to the west of Connecticut, but then a secondary storm develops later this evening and tonight to our south, basically prolonging that threat for some more freezing rain in the northwestern hill towns through early tomorrow morning. That's why those weather alerts run through early Tuesday. So FutureCast looking at tomorrow's weather today. Notice in the northwestern part of the state, we stay in that shade of pink or purple basically all day long as the clock moves forward in time. Elsewhere across Connecticut, it's just a chilly, raw rain. Again, in the northwestern hill towns, you see those shades of pink lingering through 6 o'clock this evening. So where we do see hours upon hours of freezing rain, that could lead to that concern for not only slick travel, but for isolated to scattered power outages. And then as we go through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning, the storm system finally begins to lift away and exit from southern New England with some partial clearing getting underway by tomorrow afternoon. So again, FutureCast want to just focus in on the northwestern hill towns, a little bit closer view here, where we see those shades of pink and purple staying with us basically all day long. Elsewhere, it is going to be just that chilly rain right on through that typical Monday evening commute time. So in the northwestern hills, and even into northeast Connecticut, there could be some pockets of freezing rain there, but as far as a widespread area, it's again northern Litchfield County where we have that ice storm warning, where we could see up to, if not even over, a quarter of an inch to maybe even upwards of a half inch of ice accretion. So that's what we're looking at there in the northwestern hills. High temperatures today, only the low and mid 30s in the northwest hills, upper 30s close to 40 elsewhere, inland 40 to 45 later this afternoon throughout the shoreline. So on our 7-day forecast, it all wraps up early tomorrow morning, and then some partial clearing takes place by the afternoon. For Wednesday, the first day of 2020, we're looking great. A lot of sunshine. Same goes for Thursday. Temperatures still at or above average. Our normal highs in the mid 30s. And then on Friday, looking to be a primarily rain event. I'm going to take those snowflakes out of the forecast for Friday. Scattered rain showers, and even the upcoming weekend, not a big deal by any means at this point. So a refreshed 7-day forecast is going to be coming up in the next 10 minutes in our next half hour. In the meantime, I want to send things over to Caitlin Nuclo with the very latest from the Pinpoint Traffic Center.